ended up buying this horse. And all the paraphernalia to go with it, you know. And so...
All because someone said you need a horse?
Yes. And see, at that point in time, my husband thought, yeah, that's a good idea, because we had no idea it was going to take us forever today to get back into this house.
Right.
And so, anyway, I've talked about selling him. I says, well, I haven't been on him, you know, and I haven't ridden him. You know, it's English riding, and I thoroughly enjoyed the lessons.
English riding?
Yes, And oh, he's so smooth. He is just, you know, oh man, he is smooth. He has a bit of a mind of his own that whether he's going to do something or not do something. And
right.
He may. The last time I was on him, he was bucking, and my husband was out there with me because I still don't know enough without having somebody present with me.
Right.
And he says, Sue, sit on him. Sit hard on him and hold on. So I did, and I stayed on, you know.
Right.
It wasn't that he was bucking real hard, but just enough that it was frightening for me. Because he's was he 16 hands?
Mm-hmm.
He's a good-sized horse.
I saw he was a pretty good-sized horse out there.
Yeah. And he's really pretty after he's, you know, if he's been worked and gets some muscle on him, you know.
Yeah.
He's just he's a Palomino paint, and so.
He's a nice, beautiful horse.
Thank you. The stupid people who had him named him Darby, and I thought, oh, this is stupid. And so I was going to change his name, and so I looked around at.
She even asked me for ideas.
Native American names.
Mm-hmm.
I suggest Eagle Wind.
Well, anyway, I came up with two names from two different, and I can't remember, you know, from two different. Well, I'm sorry, I'm going to say Indian. Two different Indian things, and.
Hello? 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 Who was that? Let's see. Hello? Hey, what's up? Okay. You've been with me since you was 3 months old. Yeah, you was with me at the age of 3. Yes, why? All kinds of stuff. You gonna be home? Can I call you back in a little while? Because I'm busy right now. I'll call you back in about a half hour. That's my daughter. She has a daughter. And I told her that her daughter's gonna do her the same way she did me. Because I was a single parent with her for from the time her mother gave to me, she was 3 months old until I got married to my wife I'm married to now when she was 8 years old. So,
so that's my motherboard, huh?
That's your motherboard, yeah.
Ooh. My motherboard, CD drive, and.
So anyway, I named my horse Nasta.
Ah.
I thought that was very nice.
So it's a better name?
Yeah, a lot better than Darby.
I still think Eagle Wind would have been cooler.
Huh?
I still think Eagle Wind would have been cooler. Because that's how most Native Americans came across their names.
Yeah.
Some sort of something about nature and an animal.
Yeah.
Or an adjective in an animal, like running bear or something like that.
My father's father was a Native American.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Some of us took our features after my dad's side, which is my grandfather's side, and some of us took them after my mom's side. I was the one who took them after my mom's side.
Oh, awesome! I got completely new speakers too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Come on. Get you out of the way there.
Ooh, that's They didn't put the stickers on here. That's not good.
Yeah, the sticker's gonna have to come off though.
Looks like I may have better ventilation. Looks like I may have better ventilation. So what's that?
That's just a little catch. Sometimes they pop off, and you have to stick them back in, which holds the ribbons in.
Would have been nice had they. Would have been nice had they given me a fingerprint reader.
It would have been, huh?
Yeah. Would have been. It might have even been helpful for what I want to do for my career.
Listen,